Hello guys! Oh my gosh. Really, voice? Let's redo that. Hello guys, it's Victoria. Welcome to today's video. I'm so excited. We have another unboxing. I just live for these. Not really. They're just so much fun. I just get so excited about these every single month. Actually, this one's seasonal, so this isn't monthly. I think this design is so darling. I absolutely love it. They could not have done something better. I think the butterflies is so cute in the yellow. So perfect for just rolling into springtime and summer. I've forgotten just about everything that I chose. The only thing that I remember selecting in the choices was a Tarte contour palette. Oh, actually I think I remember one other thing, but that's okay. I'm not gonna mention it. We're just gonna open it. We're gonna keep things hidden and just do one at a time so it can be a surprise. I came prepared with scissors this time, so we're not gonna have any issues. I'm always so excited for these and I never want them to end. I always get really sad at the ending, just FYI warning. This is like Christmas Day and I don't want it to be over. If you don't know what FABFITFUN is, it's actually a seasonal subscription. So 4 times a year we get a box. They're worth $50 a piece. I think the value is like 200 and something or other. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen what the value is. They also have an option though, you guys, if you don't want to sign up for the main big box right away, get the starter box. I'm telling you, I wish I would have done this. I have a whole unboxing on this. I actually signed up my husband so I could experience getting a starter box. You only pay shipping, you guys, and that's it. And I think the value of that box is like $65 or $75. It was awesome. You pay $5. At least that's what I paid having it sent to Oregon. I highly recommend doing that before even signing up for FABFITFUN, or just do that, experience it, and then really decide if you want to continue with it or you can cancel it. That's totally up to you. Here it is. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Stop it. That is so cute. I love the inside. That is adorable. Oh, Gina Rodriguez. Oh, I love her. She's from Jane the Virgin. I love her. She's also in that Netflix movie. I especially like that movie now that I know that Taylor Swift's Death by a Thousand Cuts song is written about it. A recommendation for a Netflix film you can go see. This does have all of the items in here, so I don't want to be spoiled on what we're getting. All right, I'm gonna open it up. I still can't see anything inside, so I'm just breaking apart the tissue paper. What's it gonna be? Ooh, what could this be? This is so much fun, you guys. I'm sorry if I repeat that so much throughout this video, but I just truly enjoy unboxings. Oh, a mystery. I forgot. Oh my gosh, I forgot that I chose a mystery item. It's very daring, I feel like, to choose a mystery item because it is a gamble on what you're going to get. A toner. Sweet. I actually really needed that. Zago Milano Cool Reactive Face Toner. Made in Italy. Ooh, fancy. Ooh. I can smell. I can smell, you guys. I can definitely smell the mintiness in there. Interesting. It came in this cute little drawstring bag that says mystery choice all over it. That's so darling. Oh, I forgot to mention, you guys. I don't know if you noticed, but my hair is different. Warning, I did actually pre-film a bunch of videos, so some future videos my hair is gonna be darker in those, just an FYI, but I did get my hair dyed blonder today and I am just loving it. I think it is so fun. I love getting my hair done. Anyways, let's continue. Ooh, this feels like a lotion. Yes, this is a lotion. So it says Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, Multitasking Beauty Sleep Savior for better nights and brighter mornings. My hands have been so dry lately, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hands right now. Ooh. That smells really clean. I thought it smelled lavender for a second. This is super earthy. Oh, it does have lavender and chamomile. Okay, that makes sense. That chamomile, I think, is that really herbal scent that I'm smelling. Definitely can smell the lavender. My husband's not gonna love that. He does not like lavender. I used to put lavender essential oils on my feet all the time. Almost every single night before bed, I would put it on the bottom of my feet to help with my restless feet. And it would also help me fall asleep. And I feel like it did actually help with my restless feet, but my husband hates the smell of lavender. When we first got married, he put up with it, but now he's like, sweetheart, Can you please go take that off so I don't put on lavender too much anymore? Sweet. So that was item number 2. Both skincare products so far. Let's see what's next. This one I told you I'm super into anti-aging. So this is a body oil. I don't think I would put this oil on my shoulders or my chest because I don't want to break out, but definitely like maybe like mid-waist down. I think this would be super beneficial, and then maybe you could top this on top of it, kind of do like a dual type of a thing. So this is the Marianella Rosewood and Lippie Cubebe. I'm probably not saying that right, but it's a body oil with mongogo and pomegranate oil. 100% pure oils and vitamins, leaving you with a youthful glow. I'm not going to put this on right now, but I'll use it before bed, and by the time I'm editing this, I should be able to insert it in and let you guys know what I thought of it. That smells so good! Oh my gosh, it smells like a lemon head. That smells delicious! So far we have 3 skincare items. So we have a lotion, this face toner, and the oil. And the only one I remember specifically choosing was the oil. So let's see what else we have in here. Straws. Okay. We have some silicone straws, you guys. What is this, I wonder? I'm honestly not big on using straws. I do like straws with like smoothies and maybe like a cocktail or something like that. I think that's really fun, but I don't use them like often enough. But these will be handy. They're really cute colors. I especially really love this pink one. And then there's this fun yellow, this like mint green, and then a red. And it does come with like a straw cleaner. And then it also comes with this. I don't know exactly what this little thing is. So do you bend it? Oh, okay. So I guess you bend it and it fits in the little case. You can clip them to your keys and be ready to sip delicious spirits on the go. I don't know if I would clip it to my key. Not super excited about it, to be completely honest, but that's okay. I'm super thankful to now have some straws. What's our next one gonna be? That's 4 items so far, and we're still going. That's pretty good. What? What? Perlitte's Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polishing Peel. I do love a good face mask, but what exactly is this supposed to do? There's beet in this. That just reminds me of The Office. So it's an exfoliator. It has little grains in there. So it kind of smells like watermelon gum. It doesn't quite have that like really potent, yummy watermelon scent, like something like the Glow Recipes watermelon scent. This one is their mist. Their watermelon sleeping mask is so good. This one definitely, it still smells good. It has like a weird after scent, if that even makes sense. It just kind of smells a little bit funny. I don't know if you guys could see the little grains on my hand, but honestly, it smells a little bit rotten. That's super weird. At first it smells like watermelon, but then you get kind of like a rotten fruit scent. I don't know how I feel about that. Kind of come to realize that if a product doesn't smell good, it's probably best not to use it. In some cases, they're supposed to smell a certain way, like super earthy or, you know, muddy. I don't know. Sometimes some things smell kind of like dirt. So far, lots of skincare. Let's see what our next product is. What could this be? Oh, I think I chose this one. This is another skincare item, but I chose this one. The Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. Mix them with your favorite, it just says products. Do you apply it to the moisturizer? Do you apply it to a serum? Like, what kind of product do you apply? Do you apply it to a cleanser? Man, I do not like the smell of that watermelon enzyme thing. It's kind of stinky. Okay, so this is a powder. Doesn't smell like anything. So you mix this. I think you can honestly probably mix it with anything, which is why they didn't specify, because I could see that easily being able to be mixed in with the serum. I think mixing it with the moisturizer would probably be a better option. I'm sorry, I cannot figure out this thing on top and how to get this to dispense. It says push and then it has an arrow moving forward, but I am just not. Look, when you spin it around, there's also like little holes right here. There's no, it like doesn't dispense. But then if you like take this off, there's a hole in the center. I don't understand how this works. works. I did choose this, so I'm excited to use this. I do think this is gonna be a super epic product. I keep getting whiffs of this guy and it just smells rotten to me. I don't know. I think I might email FABFITFUN about that one because I don't think that it's supposed to smell like that. If you've tried this product, please let me know what it smells like. I might even go check and see if Ulta has it, or maybe next time I'm at Sephora, I might look. I don't know if Perlice is sold in those stores. I'm not really super familiar with that brand, but I'm definitely gonna look. So we have, how many do we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We already have 6 things. Oh, yes. 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 This is the Revive Light Therapy. It's a wrinkle treatment. This is one of the products that I chose. I'm so pumped about this. So it has red light, which is actually a super, super incredible thing. So red light goes into the skin. It's actually a healing property. When I had a tanning salon, I wanted to get a red light therapy bed, but I didn't end up being able to do that. I was so disappointed because it's supposed to really help with acne, scarring, eczema. It's even supposed to help like arthritis. Like, it is a healing agent. It's one of the most incredible things. So I've been super, super, super wanting to try it. I've heard such good things. I'm gonna try this like tonight. No joke. This isn't a product that I would go out and purchase just on my own, because it's definitely one of those things where it's like, oh, like I would really love to have that. Like a Dyson Airwrap. I'd really love to have a Dyson Airwrap, but it would take a lot for me to actually go out and buy one. Something like this would be the same thing. Like, it would definitely take a lot to actually go out and purchase this. So it's nice to kind of have it included in this, because it's definitely like a luxury item that's not a necessity. Woo! Ooh. Ooh. Definitely don't want to get that in your eye. It says you shouldn't exceed 3 treatments per day, and you want to just place it over the area that you want to help with the wrinkles or scarring or whatnot, and leave it there for 3 minutes. And it says don't wave it across, you just leave it. That's really cool. I'm super excited about this. This makes the box more worth it to me. I'm not like jumping up and down over the other products, although I am excited about this one, even though I can't figure out how to open it. I'm excited about that. And the toner and the lotion and the oil. Okay, I'm excited. This is gonna be so nice, and I hope that this actually works. All right, I think that the time has come. Oh, I have like lipstick coming off. Too much lip gloss maybe? It like drip? That's embarrassing. Oh, anyways, I'm pretty sure we have just one product left, and I think that I know which one this is. Our last one, you guys. Our very last one. Yep, I already knew it. This is the Tarte Pro Glow. I actually am a big fan of Tarte. I've really enjoyed a lot of their products in the past. I really love their Tartelette in Bloom palette, especially their Amazonian Clay Foundation. I love that one. I used that one actually for my wedding. The shades I have right now are too dark, so I don't wear it too much anymore, but I do really, really enjoy it. It's such a good full coverage. So this is their contour palette. Oh! There's a cream contour. What? And a powder. And a mirror, so you can see like both sides of your face. This is so handy. I love that. And a bunch of highlights. These are super popping, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at those. So, so, so pretty. And sculpts. Ooh, creamy. Ooh. This actually might be like a super, super pretty tone for me because it's a little bit lighter and I am pale. So this is going to be so handy. Do a little. Okay, and then the thumb. Oh yeah, that's super, super light. That's gonna be so, so pretty as just like a more subtle contour, if not just as like a bronzer. That's gonna be amazing. And then these shades, so, 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 so pretty. Very, very bronzy. Honestly, all of those mixed were actually gorgeous. I kind of want to do just like a little bit of fire. Oh, that is quite pretty. These are going to be so gorgeous for the summer. That is definitely super bronzy. I'm already kind of feeling a little bit more bronzed. I only have like a little bit on. I honestly wasn't like super, super pumped for this. Don't really need a contour kit right now, and so it wasn't like, oh my gosh, I need this. But I think this is actually super epic, and I'm really excited to try this tomorrow. Sweet. So that was everything. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items today. That's actually quite a bit. And honestly, almost everything was skincare, which I'm not mad about. I don't know why, but I feel like there's just something missing for some reason. I don't know. I'm excited about every single thing. Don't get me wrong. I think it is so awesome. The oil especially, super pumped about that. I always love a good lotion. I'm excited to use the toner. Gonna use this tomorrow. I'm gonna use this tonight. And I'm for darn sure gonna use this tonight as well. Let's get those wrinkles gone. And then of course the straws. That's kind of a fun little addition as well. I'm gonna put our grand total up on the screen, probably over here. I don't know, somewhere, wherever's most convenient. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. You know, I think these are just the most fun things. I hope to see you back again for our next one. Next month, we'll also have some more boxy charms. We have a Fenty Boxy Premium box coming soon. Well, in a month, but still. I'm so thankful to have you guys here. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you can be notified of new videos that are gonna come up every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Hope to see you back for the next unboxings, if not on our next upload day. And I hope you're having a great rest of your day. Bye guys. Mwah. If you wanna sign up for FABFITFUN, I have my link down below, including the link for the starter kits. Which again, highly recommend you do that before even signing up for FABFITFUN, because that is like a huge discount for items. Which item today was your favorite? We got so many things. I think I have to say that my favorites were probably these ones, but I would love to know your input. And if you have any subscription boxes that you would like me to try, write down below. Tell me which ones. I would love to look into those and see if we could possibly get one of those in the future. I love unboxings.